Understanding Booth Setup, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, booth setup. This is a common term especially in event organization and business contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in everyday English. Booth setup refers to the process of arranging and preparing a booth or stall, usually at a fair, exhibition, or trade show. A booth is a small, temporary structure where goods are displayed or services are provided. The setup involves everything from constructing the booth to arranging the items or information to be displayed. The term, booth setup, is most commonly used in business and marketing contexts. For instance, if a company is participating in a trade show, they would be involved in booth setup to showcase their products or services. It's a crucial part of event planning and marketing strategies. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. The booth setup at the Tech Expo was innovative and attracted a lot of visitors. 2. Our team is responsible for the booth setup at the annual book fair. These examples show how the phrase is used in everyday business communication. There are a few variations and related terms you might hear. Exhibit setup, often used interchangeably with booth setup. Stall arrangement, similar to booth setup but more commonly used in informal markets or fairs. That's all about booth setup. Remember, it's all about preparing a small space for display or business purposes at events. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use this term confidently in your English conversations. See you in the next video.